Welcome to Lesson 17 from Basic ESL Workbook 2. Lesson 17 vocabulary is about food and drink. In today's lesson, we cover count and non-count nouns. We also use quantifiers to describe count and non-count nouns. Let's get started. Let's talk about the difference between count and non-count nouns. A count noun is a noun that can be counted. Here are some foods that can be counted. An apple, an egg, a carrot, a tomato. Let's use these count nouns in some sentences. Repeat after me. Do you want an apple? Do you want an apple? Yes, I want 4 apples. Yes, I want 4 apples. Does he get any eggs? Does he get any eggs? Yes, he gets 3 eggs. Yes, he gets 3 eggs. Does she grab a tomato? Does she grab a tomato? Yes, she grabs 2 tomatoes. Yes, she grabs 2 tomatoes. Do they find any carrots? Do they find any carrots? Yes, they find 10 carrots. Yes, they find 10 carrots. Great job. Remember that count nouns have plural forms and we can use numbers to count them. In these examples, we use 2 tomatoes or 10 carrots to describe the quantity. Now let's try some non-count nouns. A non-count noun is a noun that cannot be counted with numbers. Here are some foods that are non-count nouns. Coffee, honey, wine, cheese. Let's look at some sentences with non-count nouns. Repeat after me. Do you want some coffee? Do you want some coffee? Yes, I want a cup of coffee. Yes, I want a cup of coffee. Does he use any honey? Does he use any honey? Yes, he uses a spoon of honey. Yes, he uses a spoon of honey. Does she want some wine? Does she want some wine? Yes, she wants some wine. Yes, she wants some wine. Does it have any cheese? Does it have any cheese? Yes, it has 2 slices of cheese. Yes, it has 2 slices of cheese. Notice that we do not use numbers with non-count nouns. We use quantifier words or other words to describe non-count nouns. In these examples, we use some wine or 2 slices of cheese to describe the amount. Let's try some more examples. Repeat after me. Do they prepare any pasta? Do they prepare any pasta? Yes, they prepare some pasta. Yes, they prepare some pasta. Does he want some cake? Does he want some cake? Yes, he wants 2 pieces of cake. Yes, he wants 2 pieces of cake. Do they need any tea? Do they need any tea? Yes, they need a pot of tea. Yes, they need a pot of tea. Do you sell any fish? Do you sell any fish? Yes, we sell 3 types of fish. Yes, we sell 3 types of fish. Very good. Hey guys, real quick, here are 3 great ways that you can improve your English. 1. Ask your library about ESL classes. 2. Practice with your friends or practice with us by watching our videos. And 3. To learn even more, use our basic ESL workbooks. Buy our workbooks on Amazon or basicesl.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And now, back to the lesson. Now let's move on to our next topic. Quantifiers help us describe nouns when we don't know the exact number or amount. Let's use some different quantifiers to describe count and non-count nouns. Here we have a few bananas. A few means a small number. And here we have many grapes. Many means a large number. The quantifiers a few and many are used with count nouns. Let's try some examples. Repeat after me. How many bananas are there? How many bananas are there? There aren't many bananas. There aren't many bananas. How many grapes does she eat? How many grapes does she eat? She eats a few grapes. She eats a few grapes. How many lemons do they buy? How many lemons do they buy? They don't buy many lemons. They don't buy many lemons. Do you have a few onions? Do you have a few onions? Yes, I have a few onions. Yes, I have a few onions. Okay, great. Now let's look at quantifiers for non-count nouns. The quantifiers a little and much are used with non-count nouns. Here we have a little salt. A little means a small amount. Here we have much rice. Much means a large amount. Let's try a few examples. Repeat after me. How much rice is there? How much rice is there? There isn't much rice. There isn't much rice. How much salt do we use? How much salt do we use? We use a little salt. We use a little salt. How much milk do you pour? How much milk do you pour? I don't pour much milk. I don't pour much milk. Do you want a little butter? Do you want a little butter? Yes, I want a little butter. Yes, I want a little butter. Nice job. Now let's look at quantifiers for both count and non-count nouns. The quantifiers a lot, enough, plenty, some, and any can be used with count or non-count nouns. Here we have a lot of beans. A lot means a large amount or number. Here we have enough water. Enough means as much or as many as needed. Here we have plenty of pasta. Plenty means more than enough. Here we have some or any cherries. Some or any mean an unknown number or amount. Let's try some examples. Repeat after me. Does Dave have enough pasta? Does Dave have enough pasta? Yes, he has plenty of pasta. Yes, he has plenty of pasta. Does he want any vegetables? Does he want any vegetables? Yes, he wants a lot of carrots. Yes, he wants a lot of carrots. Are you buying some fruit? Are you buying some fruit? Yes, I'm buying a lot of fruit. Yes, I'm buying a lot of fruit. Does the store have any coconuts? Does the store have any coconuts? Yes, it has plenty of coconuts. Yes, it has plenty of coconuts. Do you drink a lot of water? Do you drink a lot of water? No, I don't drink enough water. No, I don't drink enough water. What do you drink a lot of? What do you drink a lot of? I drink plenty of juice and coffee. I drink plenty of juice and coffee. Great job! That's it for lesson 17. We hope you enjoyed practicing your pronunciation. In today's lesson, we looked at the difference between count and non-count nouns. We also used different quantifiers to describe the amount or quantity of a noun. Now here's what I want you to do. I want you to watch this video again, and I want you to practice your pronunciation every day. In our next lesson, we take a look at spelling rules or regular verbs. We also look at the question word, why. We will see you then.